In this video, we're gonna be creating these super easy, simplistic, minimalistic reel covers for your personal brand on Instagram. These reel covers are super easy and fast to create, but before we create those, I wanna let you know that my name is Eddie Thorson and I run a shop called Sparbo where I create digital assets for content creators just like you. So if you're taking over an hour to create Instagram reels, I seriously don't know what you're doing, but you need to stop that because I create my reels in just 5 to 20 minutes maximum with using my editing packs. So go down link in the description, go grab those, and now let's create these Instagram reel covers. So if you have a logo, you can use the logo, otherwise you don't have to. And all I always like to do is have the background solid color. So you can use black, you can do the black and white like mine is, that's just minimalistic, or you can do just white, a really nice like gray, just any type of color that really resonates with your brand. But for mine, I always do black and white. And then all I like to do is come over to the text box and type out like what the video's main objective is about. So I could just write scripting and then make sure that you blow this up and use a bold font. What I like to do is use my font that I use in about everything, which is Montserrat. You guys want to use that one, it's really good, or this Della Gothic one is super good too, or Helvetica, whatever that name is, I don't really care, but use any of these fonts, really good fonts, or just find a super clean bold one. And I always use Montserrat because one, it's free, and two, it looks super good. So just go to like the black, make it black, and then I just blow it up, make sure it's in the middle, so just like so. Make sure that it kind of fits right in the middle of it. Then grab your kind of logo, whatever you use, put it wherever you like. That looks good, or you can just go up a little bit higher and boom, you have that simplistic, minimalistic look for your Instagram reels. My other picture I like to do is just a super clean picture of something that represents like these mood colors and everything too. And I don't take any of these myself. I actually have some of them I take myself, but majority of them I just find online. So I like to use a place called Pixel. So P-I-X, Pexels, whatever it's called. Click onto this one. I'll leave it in the link description too. And then all I do is just search up whatever I'm looking for. So majority of mine are cameras and camera gear and videography. So I can just search up like a Sony camera, and then I look through these. Here's one of them that I have. Here's the one I have for one of my reel covers. Just look through any of these. Make sure when you're looking through these, you're looking for ones that don't look like it's stock footage. For like instance, this one looks pretty stock, especially if you're not that guy, like that doesn't really make a lot of sense. Or like this one, make sure it's just like clean look. So like this one I just used in my recent post. It's perfect. It looks like I kind of did it myself. So make sure that you're just going through the pictures and thinking that it looks like you took it yourself. So that's where I get all my photos. But if you want to learn how to build your personal brand even more and get this really cool aesthetic look, plus edit just like me in 5 to 15 minutes with these cinematic editing reels, I'll pop up on the screen right now to kind of give you an example. Go click this video right over here.